How to add family members to YouTube Family Premium. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add family members to YouTube Family Premium. For this, you want to open the YouTube app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, you first of all have to set up a YouTube Family plan to become a family manager. As a family manager, you can share your YouTube Premium or YouTube Music Premium membership. You can share your membership with up to 5 other family members in your household. If you are a family member, you can join a family group to share a YouTube family plan. So what you want to do first is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Now tap on purchase and memberships option. Over here you will have the edit option. Next to family sharing settings, tap on that edit button. Now tap on invite family members. You will have to then enter the email address or phone number of the person you want to invite. Now select send. Now you will get an email notification when someone joins your family. If you want to remove your family member, then in the purchase and membership section over here, you want to tap on your membership, then tap on edit next to family sharing settings, select the name of the person you want to remove, then click on the remove member option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.